are going to love the 2020 Ford Fusion Hybrid. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, remote engine start, lane departure warning, navigation system, traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, keyless start, aluminum wheels, floor mats. Come see the car for yourself.